Hi dears, welcome back to our channel Claycraft. This is an unboxing video of polymer clay. I purchased this clay from Meesho. You won't believe the price. Yeah, the price of this clay is 250 rupees only. I wanna tell about the packing also. Packing is too good. This clay set is packed with thick cardboard. I am very much excited to see this product. I hope you will like it very much. The clay set is wrapped by an air bubble plastic cover. This will protect our clay set from damage. This cover is in transparent color. This is the collection of 24 beautiful shades. This set have both dark and light colors. This polymer clay set is big in size. The quantity of the polymer clay is 300 grams. Now, it's time to open our polymer clay. Cut it with scissors, or else you can open it with your hands also. This clay set have 4 types of tools. Look-wise, these tools are very beautiful. The tools are roller, cutter, and some shapes and knife-like tools. The tools are really awesome. These are very much usable tools. Tools color combination also really good. You can change the blade shapes of the cutter. This is a hen shape. And this is a duck shape. This is a heart shape. And the next one is square shape. Be careful while using your scissors to cut. Four knife-like tools are given. It's made with thick plastic. This is an unique tool and I like it very much. "24 shades are really attractive and unique. Color collection is very beautiful. This clay is so soft and very smooth. I am very happy about this purchase and my ranking is 10 out of 10. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.